how to see story activity on Facebook. Hello, everybody. If you are wanting to do that, you may follow up the simple steps. So, open up the Facebook application on your device, and once you open it up, you may tap on the menu bar from this home interface at the top right under the messenger icon, and open up a menu. Now, from the given menu, you may locate up the settings icon at the top, right in front of the search bar. Go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on settings and privacy, you will be finding different settings available. Scroll down until you reach over to the section, this one right here, your activity. Now from your activity, you need to go to the option called activity log, tap on it. And once you tap on activity log, from this interface, you may just swipe right and look for the option called activity history. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on activity history, it will show you all of your activity here, including your story. Otherwise, you may look for the archive option at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on archive, look for story archive option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And there you will be finding all of the history of your story right here. So that is how you view your story activity history on your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.